upper back fatigue at the end of the day?
If the shoulder blades do not move well, the upper back muscles overwork. Activating scapular support can reduce strain. To feel better, let's try a shoulder blade squeeze.
Starting position: stand or sit with a straight back, shoulders down and relaxed, and arms resting naturally at your sides. Your feet should be flat on the floor if you're seated, or shoulder width apart if you're standing. How to perform the movement: inhale deeply and, as you exhale, focus on drawing your shoulder blades, scapulae, together towards the spine and slightly downwards, as if you're trying to hold a pencil between them. Keep your neck long and your shoulders away from your ears to avoid creating tension in the neck. Hold the contraction of the shoulder blades for about 5 seconds, maintaining steady breathing. Inhale again as you gently release the contraction and allow your shoulder blades to move back to the starting position. Breathing: maintain a normal breathing pattern throughout the exercise. Avoid holding your breath, instead, breathe out on the retraction and breathe in on the release to help facilitate the movement.
Life is too short for back pain. Healactively.com